Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make quiz in Google Form. The first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed in to your Google Form, and you can get signed in by having your Gmail address already logged into your PC. And then when you just type in Google Forms, it will take you straight up to this page. Or you can access your Google Forms via your Google Drive. You just look for the option listed Google Form, and you will just get yourself logged in. Now, to show you how to make quiz in Google Form, you want to use a blank form or you want to work with an already existing form. So I'll just click on this form that I want to work with over here, and it will take me to the next page where I can show you how to make quiz in Google Form. Now, this is a particular form I'm going to be working with. So the first you want to do is head over to your settings. All right. So after heading over here, the first option is make this a quiz. So you just click on this toggle bar and you have a lot of other settings to work on. So, do I want to release the grades of my quiz immediately after each submission, or do I want to release it later? I'll just choose whichever one of these works for me. Now, I'll head over to responses. Do I want to send the responses immediately? Do I want to collect it via email address? I'll just work on all of these. So you click on this and then pick the one you want. Responder inputs, verify, do not collect. I'll just pick responder inputs. All right. Do I want my responders to respond more than once? Also, I'll just click on this. So it will limit their responses to just one response per time. So presentation, I'll click on this drop down menu over here and then choose the form of presentation I want my quiz to appear as. Do I want it to show progress bar? Do I want to shuffle question order? I will just pick however I want that to appear in my form, and then I will just, if I want to restrict my my respondents, I will click on these and any other form of adjustments you want to make to your form. When you're done with that, just head over to questions and we'll begin typing in our questions to create our quiz. All right. Do you want your questions to have more than one option? So you just add as many options as you want to have. So let's type in our first question here, for instance. Who is the president of the United States of America? Who is the president of the USA? All right, having typed in our question, you will see that we have different drop down menu, all right, to give us our options. So option one, we can just decide to put a wrong name over there, all right. Say we want it to be Mr. Abraham, all right. Say option two, we want it to be Faith, and then say option three, we want it to be Donald Trump. So you just type in Donald Trump over here and you've had that set up. Now you can decide to come to your answer key at the bottom over here, click on it, and then choose the correct answer. All right. You can also add answer feedback. So whoever gets the correct answer, like this, gets a feedback. Whoever gets it incorrectly gets a feedback. So let's say the person gets the correct answer. You can just write here, good job. So they will receive this response after they've gotten the right answer. So you just click on save and they will get that. So how many points do you want this answer to carry? Let's say you want to give it 10 marks, 10 points, whichever, and then that is done. So this is how you can set up your first quiz question. You can decide to go ahead to add up as many questions as possible. You can decide to add pictures to your quizzes by coming over here to customizing theme, and then you click on that and then choose the kind of theme you want or how you want your questions to appear. You can decide to choose or add image, change the color of your question. You can see my form has changed, all right, and do a whole world of settings to your Google form. All right, so after doing that, if I want to add more questions, I'll just head over to the corner over here and then click on this plus sign, and it has created another quiz option for me. And I can head over to just repeat the process above to create the second question option. If I want to, I would click on it again and add as many questions as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to make quizzes in your Google form. Until next time, bye for now.